me on a Monday is very, very good. Or you can kiss me on a Tuesday, if I wish you would. Or you can kiss me on a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday's best. But never on a Sunday, this is my day of rest. Oh, any day, and you'll be my guest. Any day you say, by my day of rest. Just take the day that you like the best. Only stay away on my day of rest. Darling, I love you. Though you're thinking you hurt me and you make me cry. But if you leave me, I will show you down. No, there'll never be another, 'cause I love you so. Don't ever leave me, say you'll never go. I will always want you for my sweetheart, no matter what you do. Oh, Carol, I'm so in love with you. Why does the sun go on shining? Why does the sun rush to shores? Yes. Don't you know it's the end of the world if the day comes your love? I wake up in the morning and I wonder why everything's the same as it was. I can't understand, no, I can't understand why you don't love me anymore. Why does my heart go on beating? Why do this of mine cry? Don't they know it's the end of the world when you say goodbye? Goodbye, Joe, you gotta go, be on my own. You gotta go, oh, be down on my own. Money for the sweetest one, me on my own. Summer over, hurry for all to buy your own. Jump tiny arms. I love you, but still with me. Oh, dear, can't you see? I love you with all my heart, and I hope we'll never part. Oh, please stay by me. Say oh my darling, oh my lover, tell me that there is no other. I love you with all my heart. Only you can take